What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel. I'd like to take this time to thank all my new subscribers and everybody else that clicked on this video and to support my channel and check out my other content. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell icon so you won't miss another video. But anyway, back to the subject. We're talking about cold air intakes. Cold air intakes for the Hellcat. When purchasing a cold air intake for my 2020 Hellcat, I had a choice of 3 different brands. My first choice was the Leg Maker. I think everybody knows about Leg Maker. Really amplifies the supercharged whine, and it adds horsepower as well, and it looks great. It has a carbon fiber tubing, looks really nice. My other choice was the Blvd. From what I hear and the research I've done, the Blvd really amplifies the supercharged whine, but you really don't get much horsepower or any horsepower gain whatsoever. And then there was the JLT, which amplifies the supercharged whine a little bit, and it gives you extra horsepower as well. Those were my 3 choices. I quickly narrowed it down to 2. I eliminated the Blvd because I am performance driven. I don't care too much about the supercharged whine being louder, although I do like that. And that's all the Blvd gives you from what I've researched. So my last 2 choices was the Leg Maker. Everybody used the Leg Maker, but it had the Blvd style intake, which is an open air intake. Underneath the hood, your car gets really hot. When the car gets hot, that means the intake starts sucking in hot air. And I didn't want that, so that led me to the JLT. The JLT is a closed box intake, which hides the hood heat from getting into the air intake. So that's why I went with the JLT. So I did order the JLT. They're all around the same price range. And what I want to do today is heading down to Baileys Hyperformance. You can check some of my old videos. I did an interview with Baileys Hyperformance at the DFW Auto Show. He works on a lot of cars, mainly Mopars, but he does everything from exotic to Yugos. I want to get the car on the dyno, get a baseline, install the JLT, and see if it really makes more horsepower. And the thing is, I would like to do it all in one day and use the same dyno, because you know all dynos are different. Temperature and all of that has things to do with the dyno as well. I am going to try to talk to Chris today to get everything scheduled. But without further ado, let's go ahead and head out to Baileys Hyperformance. But let me give you a quick cold start before we get into it. Alright, Speed Nation, so I did come in, I spoke to Chris. I'm gonna come back Thursday. I have an appointment for Thursday. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some of these cars they got out here. I think this is Chris Bailey's Demon right here. If it's not his, it has his stamp on it. Got a McLaren in there. Looking nice. That was Chris. Got a bunch of Hellcats out here. CTSV, he works on everything. See everything in here, nice SRT. We'll check back in on Thursday. I'll see you on Thursday. What up, Speed Nation? Guess what today is? Today is Dyno Day. That's right, put Thundercat on the dyno today, right? See what she makes. Baseline, right? Then after that, gonna hook the JLT up and then see what that makes, if it makes any horsepower. JLT claims no tune, it should make up to 20 horsepower. We're gonna do this to find out, and I know those numbers vary. Do it make that horsepower, or do it make any horsepower?
or do it lose horsepower? Are you wasting your money on the cold air intake? That's what we're gonna find out. Stay tuned, I'm gonna get gas.
So this is what it is, y'all. 93 octane, you're getting it right here. Pump gas. That should be good right there. It's almost a full tank. Well, it should be almost full now. Should hold about 8 gallons. Close, 7. All right, Chris, so you've done a ton of these.
Yep.
About average, what have you seen baseline or these?
650.
Wow.
On average.
Okay.
650 to the ton.
Okay.
So we'll see where yours lands, throw the JLT on, and we'll see what else we'll pick up from there.
Okay.
But we'll leave it strapped up. We'll do it on the dyno, so we'll get some accurate results. And let it cool down before we do the JLT. Run it again.
Sounds good. Sounds real good. Let's do it.
All right.
Stay tuned. 3 baseline pulls. It's gonna get loud. This should be interesting. Let's see what she makes. Comment down below what you think she'll make on the dyno. I say around 630, man. We'll see though. Chris says 650. He knows his dyno. He knows stuff way better than I do. But we'll see. Let's get it.
First run I did was in 4th gear, so I was kind of 576 range. So I did it in 5th gear the next 2 runs.
Okay.
So we'll close that one out. So here's 5th gear the next 2 runs. So 596. I mean the air here is terrible right now. So
Right.
601. It's hot and humid right now. Then 575, 584. It's hot. Pulled a bunch of timing. It's just temperature here right now.
Right.
So we'll let it cool down, let the air run on it, and then we'll swap over the intake and see how much more we pick up.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Cool.
Not too bad.
Cool. So y'all got it right there. The best numbers is 596, like Chris says. It's the temperature in the air. Really not making a whole lot of horsepower, but still, we're gonna see what we can pick up with the JLT. That's the purpose of this whole video. So stay tuned. JLT, cold air intake. We're gonna see what it's made of. There's the old stuff. So that old saying, out with the old, in with the new. I like how the blue matches the paint. It looks proper. All right, stay tuned, guys. So we're gonna let the car cool down for about 30 more minutes, and then we're gonna get 3 more runs in, see what it makes afterwards. Stay tuned. So guys, I was just talking to Chris about, he has the Mad Hatter, which is the highest horsepower you could do on the Hellcat platform. And the last time he went out to the drag strip, he broke his drive shaft, which is rated at 1400 horsepower, which is crazy. Check it.
Check that video out if you get it.
JLT, it does what it says it's supposed to do. Let's see what Chris has to say.
Yeah, that's what they claim.
So let's compare it over to, so here's, so 596 was our most, so let's pull that up. And here's the intake, 615, so there you are. Real nice, smooth. Picked up some good horsepower, good. 19 torque, and you know, maybe probably about 25, 30 or so on horsepower.
That's what they claim.
That's pretty good.
That is.
You know, not bad for that gain. I think what makes it even more awesome is the fact that you can really hear that blower whine.
You can. Yeah, you can. I like that.
Yeah.
I immediately can tell the difference. You know?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Probably not as nice as a leg maker, but you know.
Hey, I mean, it's doing the same job. So.
Right. So in comparison to the leg maker, have you seen similar gains?
Yes.
Okay.
Seen real similar gains to it on the leg maker.
Right.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Nice intake. Real nice intake.
So y'all heard it from a professional here.
JLT, it does what it's supposed to do, and he likes it. So the supercharger whine does sound a lot better. It is a lot louder. I don't know if you can tell the difference on camera from stock to JLT, but it is a lot louder. I want to know what it sounds like inside the cabin, so we'll check that out on the way back. But I feel pleased that I didn't waste my money on an intake. It really helped the car breathe a little better, especially in the humidity. Didn't make the horsepower that we thought it'll make because the weather conditions, you know, it's not good weather to make horsepower. So, but it did gain quite a bit, as you can see. So once again, like, share, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. And if you're looking for any upgrades to your vehicle, you in the Dallas area, you definitely have to check out Baileys Hyperformance. I'll put the information in the description below, like I said previously, and he'll get you right.
Today was not a good day to dyno due to the humidity, the overcast, you know, all the other reasons. So we didn't hit the numbers baseline that we should have. But the whole purpose of the video was to see if the JLT will make horsepower as advertised, and it did that. So that being said, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts, just to let you know The supercharged whine is more prominent than the stock. You can hear it pretty good. You probably don't hear it like the leg maker, or you probably won't hear it like a B Woody, but you do hear it a lot more in the cabin. And if you hear it more in the cabin, you're gonna hear it more outside the vehicle. So like, share, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.